Hello, beautiful real estate agents. Josh here, and I have some templates for you. So, if you're a real estate agent and you're looking for seller listings, then these templates might be exactly what you're looking for. Now, I have a Canva file here that has over 20 different templates that you could use to launch seller lead ads today. All you have to do is just change and edit these to your branding, maybe change some of the wording, some of the images, the color around here, but it'll only take you 5-10 minutes to do that. And you can then use these to launch your own ads and get seller leads interested in selling with you today. So there's nothing really, to it. I've just gone on to Facebook ad library. You can do that easily just by going to facebook.com/ads/library, and you can see what real estate ads have been running and have been running for a while. Now, the reason why I'm saying, you can see which ones have been running for a while, big hint here, is because these ads have been chewing up, advertising spend for a while. So the chances of the agency or the agent just continually paying Facebook just because they, want to support Facebook is pretty unlikely. However, it is most likely that these ads are actually profitable. So when we look through some of the ads that have been running for a while, we can see some stuff in common here. We can see the certain kind of ad copy and the creatives, which are actually getting leads. So we can have a look through and we can see kind of the different messaging. Now, let me tell you that from what I can see, there's two main messaging that is going out. One of them is make sure you don't sell for less. Here's a seller's guide listing, the steps that you can take to make sure that you have a successful home sale. So those are one type of ad. The next type of ad that I am seeing pretty common is the how much is your house really worth? Prices have changed. The market, is in fluctuation. Prices have changed compared to last year. Do you know what your current price, your current home's value is? Get an estimated sales price today. So a free appraisal offer is what I see. Now, the other one on top of these types of messaging is the testimonial. So the testimonial ad is run showing a positive result that a client's got in their own words. So it's the agent being talked up by someone other than the agent. So bringing social proof into it. The last type of ad is a successful home sale ad. So, another property sold, the price that it sold for. The vendor's very pleased with this. If you would like to know your value of your house as well, click to learn more. So, a successful house sale, a testimonial from a customer that's had a good experience with you, market update, free appraisal, or a seller's guide. So these are the main 4 kind of messaging framing to get seller leads that I can see, and I have a gift for you. So if you would like free Canva templates that you can just edit for yourself, there's the link down below. So go check that out and start running some ads and let me know how they go. These are templates based off ads that are already running, and some of these ads have been running for 12 months. So, give it a go and let me know the results. Thanks for watching. Peace out.